Hello, year after year, the market share of IML for thermoform packaging is increasing, and that's no surprise to us. The reasons behind that increased market share is that brand owners are looking for more sustainable packaging. With IML as a decoration technique for thermoform packaging, you have a mono-material packaging, so fully recyclable. Next to that, more and more retailers and brand owners are also looking to replace their current thermoform polystyrene packaging. And polypropylene is one of the options. And again, once you have it replaced by polypropylene, the next step is also to decorate it with a polypropylene IML label. What we also are facing in our industry is the difficulty to get operators, to find operators. So a lot of these converters are looking for further automation. And IML is a one-step process. That means that it's a very efficient way of producing decorated packaging, and also that is valid for the thermoforming industry. So with that, we see an increase in the market share of IML for thermoforming. In this video, I'm going to explain you the basic principle behind thermoforming and also have a closer look to the IML decoration process for thermoformed packaging. Now, when we have a look to the IML decoration process for polypropylene thermoforming, we see a lot of similarities with injection molding. Basically, you also have a lot of magazines, because typically for thermoforming you have a lot of cavities, so you also need quite a big magazine to put all those labels in. And then the robot is picking a label from each of the magazines, is putting it on a dummy core, and then the dummy core is placing the labels into the cavity of the mold. Now, depending on your machine supplier, the holding of the label inside the cavity can be with a vacuum or with a static charge. That's actually also the same like with injection molding. And then when the heated thermoforming sheet is touching the label, we get a fusion. So we are talking here about an adhesion-free, so we don't use adhesion. It's actually the composition of the label material and the polypropylene that are melting together, forming one monomaterial packaging. So as soon as the mold opens, you have not only a formed packaging, but at the same time, in a one-step process, it's also decorated. Very efficient. Now, let me also give you a glimpse of what the future will bring. Now, driven by regulations like the packaging waste regulation, we see also more and more interest into PET packaging. So I already mentioned it that we have a replacement of polystyrene by polypropylene, but we will also see a replacement by the PET material. Also for that, we are developing label solutions for the thermoforming of PET. And also we are working on solutions to apply IML decoration on FFS packaging, which is form, fill, seal packaging. More about these two topics in a next video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, you found it learnful. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us and keep an eye out on our next videos. Thank you, bye-bye.